Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about a verb, kai, and also some related words. Singly, the kai means open or turn something on, start, and drive. We'll talk 5 words of kai today. The first one, kaixue, kaiche, kaishui, kaimen, kaihui. Okay, let's see these one by one. The first one, kaixue. It's already September. I think most of students is already start to school now. So, 开学. For example, 你什么时候开学？我9月6号开学。什么时候? This is the same as when in English. 9月6号。月 the month. 号 the date. This is how to say the date in Chinese. 月 9月 is September and 6号 is 6th. This is different as English. We use all of the numbers to show different months. For example, 1月 January, 2月 February. Another difference at here is we normally put month before date. The second word is 开车, driving. 车 means car. For example, 你怎么来的？我开车来的。怎么 is how in Chinese. 来 come. The actually is a short way of 是 The structure 是 is a way to emphasize the time, state, manner, and so on. For the question part, 你是怎么来的? Which means what I want to know is the way for you to come here. And for the answer, 我是开车来的. So the way I come here is driving. Next word, 开水. At here, 开 actually means boiled. If we say 开水 is the water just boiled, then let's see a lot of different types of 水 by the temperature. From the hottest to the coldest. 开水, 热水, 温水. 热水 is a temperature which you feel hot, but you still drinkable. And 温水 is nearly the same temperature as room temperature. 凉水. At here, 凉水 is totally cold, but cold naturally. The last one, 冰水. The 冰水 is ice water. You probably put ice inside, or you probably put in fridge for a while, which makes the water iced. Let's see an example. 请问有冰水吗？抱歉，我们只有开水。请问，请 had the meaning of please, and 问 is ask. So 请问 is a polite way to say please, may I ask. 抱歉 means sorry, but actually sorry in Chinese is 对不起。对不起。At here, 抱歉 is not that serious as 对不起, but it's also very polite. Here is still a little bit different as English. In English, we can say sorry in any situation, nearly any situation. But in Chinese, sorry, which means 对不起, is quite serious. I really did something, hurt others' feelings, hurt other body. I say 对不起. But most of the time, we don't use 对不起. Instead of it, we say 抱歉 or 不好意思。我们 we, us. 我 I, me. 只有 awning have. Next word, 开门. This is the most common way to use 开 in the meaning of open. 你可以帮我开门吗？我没带钥匙。可以吗？ This structure is can you or could you. It's also applied to it to give an order or ask for help. 帮 help. 带 bring. This is a verb, and also the negative to say is 没带带 or 没带。钥匙 is a noun at here, means keys. The last one, 开会。明天早上我要和客户开会。明天早上我要和客户开会。明天 tomorrow. 明天早上 tomorrow morning. 要 The verb 要 has a meaning of need, want, and also can show the future tense, will do something. At here, because we mentioned 明天早上 tomorrow morning at the beginning, so this 要 have the meaning of will and future tense. 客户 client. So by the context, you can identify this meeting is a business meeting, which with clients, 客户. But another meeting, especially for parents, 家长会. 家长会. 家长 it not only means parents, but also your guardian, your legal guardians. 我明天要去学校开家长会。我明天要去学校开我儿子的家长会。The first one, 我明天要去学校开家长会. This actually can be said by a teacher or a parent. So the second one has more details, which this meeting is for my son, which means this one said by a parent. Okay, this is today's part. Hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions about this. See you in next video. Bye.